Hidden deep in the Nevada desert lies one of the most secretive military installations in the world, Area 51. For decades, rumors of UFOs, alien spacecraft, and top-secret experiments have surrounded this mysterious base. But what's the real story? What is the US government really hiding inside Area 51? Today, we go beyond the barbed wire and dive into the chilling secrets of one of America's most forbidden places. History of Area 51. Area 51 was established in 1955 as a testing site for the U.S. Air Force. Officially, it was created to develop and test advanced military aircraft, like the U-2 spy plane and the SR-71 Blackbird. But the government didn't acknowledge its existence until 2013. Why the secrecy? Could it be because these projects were so advanced? Or is there something more otherworldly at play? Many believe that the base's remote location and high-level security are signs of something beyond human technology. UFO sightings and alien theories. One of the biggest reasons Area 51 has captured the public's imagination is its connection to UFOs. In July 1947, the famous Roswell incident sparked rumors of a crashed alien spacecraft. Witnesses claimed the wreckage, and possibly alien bodies, were transported to Area 51 for study. Over the years, countless people have reported strange lights and unidentified flying objects in the skies above the base. Could these be experimental aircraft or evidence of extraterrestrial visitors? Secret technology and future warfare. Beyond UFOs and aliens, some experts suggest Area 51 is a hub for cutting-edge technology. Rumors include anti-gravity propulsion, cloaking devices, and even time travel research. While the US military insists that Area 51 is simply a test range for advanced aircraft and weapons, the extreme secrecy fuels speculation. What kind of technology could be so revolutionary that it must remain hidden for decades? The truth? So, what is really going on inside Area 51? Is it a place where alien technology is reverse engineered, or simply a top-secret testing ground for the next generation of military aircraft? Perhaps the truth lies somewhere in between. But one thing is certain: whatever is happening there is not meant for public eyes. Area 51 remains one of the world's greatest mysteries. Until the day the gates are opened and the secrets revealed, the theories will only grow. What do you think they're hiding? UFOs? Alien life? Or something even more terrifying? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's greatest secrets.